You must have heard of stories of how a disease like cancer was cured in some people using a phenomenon called placebo effect. The idea that your brain can convince your body to impact it in some positive way, providing relief or healing, is called placebo effect. So, this brings me to a question. Does the placebo effect have anything to do with our subconscious mind? Because whatever suggestion we make, our subconscious mind is always listening to it without judging it. So in this video, I'm going to share some examples and stories of how placebo actually works. And after listening to the stories, let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about it? During the Second World War, a lot of American soldiers were getting injured, but the supply of morphine to tend to these wounded soldiers was not meeting the demand. And gradually, while treating these wounded soldiers, Henry Beecher runs out of morphine. But somehow he had to cure these wounded soldiers. He had to attend to them, treat them. So desperate, he decided to tell the wounded soldiers that he was giving them morphine. But in reality, he was infusing these soldiers with saline solution. And amazingly, about 40% of these soldiers reported that the saline treatment eased their pain. So that is how the placebo effect was first discovered by Henry Beecher during the World War II. And this brings me to the second story, how placebo effect was thoroughly studied. And I want to refer to the 2012 show Fear and Faith. In this show, Darren Brown made up a fake drug and used his every possible skill to convince the people who he was experimenting with, that this pill or this drug would cure their phobias, fears, and anxieties. So Darren originally picked up a group of 4 people who had fear of phobias and anxieties related to heights, public performance, and social anxiety. The group were told that they were a part of an experiment to study a wonder drug called Ramyodin. He told them that this drug had only been used in the armed forces previously for the soldiers to serve with absolutely no fear, even in the most dangerous situations. To make it more convincing, these participants were also taken to a newly created for the show pharmaceutical center. Their senior doctors also told them about the benefits of this particular drug, as well as outlining the conditions for the drug usage. Then this set of people also met someone who had benefited out of this particular drug. And guess what happened next? After taking this drug Ramyodin for the first time, one of the participants' fear of height completely vanished, and that too immediately. Then there was another group of members who were given a blue pill. It was told to them that the blue pill had some relaxing, some calming effect. They were also told to keep noting in a diary about all the positive changes that had occurred after using this drug. So this further enforced a positive feeling in them about this particular drug. It obviously would convince me that yes, this drug actually works. So after that, one of the participants, remember, they were fearful of heights. So one of the participants proceeded to the topmost step of a magnificent bridge, hundreds of feet in the air. Similarly, another participant had a dramatic shift in his performance in social settings. This drug, named as Ramyodin, was actually an anagram for your mind. And this drug was nothing more than a sugar pill But the fact that he used so many tricks to convince these participants' minds of its benefits helped him gain successful results of this particular experiment on studying the placebo effect. So these stories, these experiments made me think that what exactly is placebo? We are suggesting our subconscious mind about something. That is why even Joseph Murphy, in his book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, has mentioned that how powerful your subconscious mind is, and whatever is suggested to your subconscious mind, the subconscious mind is going to take it as it is, and it is going to start working on it immediately. And your subconscious mind can even cure some diseases, some ailments within your body. It will heal your body or parts of it in miraculous ways. Well, what do you think about the placebo effect? Is it your subconscious mind doing the magic? Comment below, share your ideas, share your opinions. We are really open to it. Just a request, spread love, no hatred in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.